First line. World Jump Day is observed on the 20th of July. Second line. It is a fun and interesting awareness day. Third line. People jump together for fun and exercise. Fourth line. Jumping helps keep our body active and healthy. Fifth line. It is a simple activity for people of all ages. Sixth line. Many schools and communities organize fun events. Seventh line. Children enjoy jumping games with their friends. Eighth line. The day encourages fitness and happiness. Ninth line. It reminds us to stay active every day. Tenth line. World Jump Day is celebrated with joy and energy.